The next thing for us is to add serializers. So when you look at our files that lie in our API app, we don't have serializers.py, so we need to create a file called serializers.py. And then there you are, we have created serializers.py. Then let's go to the file. I'm going to reload it. So our serializers.py is empty. So we're going to do from REST framework, let's import serializers, and then what you're going to do now is import all the models, and then now we're going to create classes for all the models. You see all these models, we will create serializers for them. Now let's go to serializers. So let me show you how we're going to create for bank serializer. What call it? Then we're going to use serializers.models serializer. Then we create a class. We have a class. So bank. Then we will define our fields that we want them to be serialized. In this case, I'm going to add all of them. Then make sure you put a comma. Oh, it's not necessary, but sometimes it's necessary. So the next serializer is for branch serializer. So guys, take your time and add all the serializers for all the classes.